children again. So as I have uploaded up to the part 3 of power energy, today I am going to teach you the next part, that is the difference between the energy and power and the different forms of energy. As I have told you before children, that energy is neither created nor destroyed. It is known as the conservation of energy. So how energy is transforms from one form to another, which form to which form, how it is transformed, and which devices it is the transform. So that I will explain you today. Now don't waste our time. Let's go to the topic. So children, whatever I have explained you in the part 3, hope you went through it, because there I have told about the units of energy up to the electron volt. So now the next one is the calorie. Another unit is calorie. So what is calorie? It is the unit of heat energy. Unit of heat energy. That is the calorie. And you have to remember the main thing, that it is also related to the joule. Means here that will be a very important question in your exam. 1 joule equal to that, or you can write that one. First I will write the 1 calorie. 1 calorie equal to 4.18 joule. That is the very important question for your exam point of view. This is important. You can write the relationship between the joule and calorie also. 1 joule equal to 0.24 calorie. 0.24 calorie. That is the relationship between. And you have to remember another one, 1 kilocalorie. Kilocalorie equal to 1000 calorie. Always kilo means that is the 1000. That is the 1000 calorie. Or important thing is that is the 4180 joule. That is also relationship between the calorie and the joule, and kilocalorie and the joule. It is a very important for your exam point of view. So now children, let's go to the difference between the energy and the power. So children, as I told that whenever you are writing the difference, you have to write the definition of energy and definition of power. So what is the definition of energy children? You just remember that one, that it is the capacity to do work. Capacity. It is the capacity of a body to do work. Capacity of a body to do work. But what is power children? That is the rate of, it is the power of a source is the rate at which energy is supplied to it, or supplied by it. Rate at which, or it is given the power, it is given the energy. Rate at which energy is supplied by it. By it means that source is giving us by it. The next point is the here, that it depends, power depends on the time, but energy does not depend on time, as P equal to W by T. So it is the time independent. Time independent factor, and it is the time dependent factor. As from the formula you can go through one, that is the time dependent factor. And here you can write the SI unit. That is the SI unit is the joule. Here SI unit is it is the watt. So this is the difference between the energy and the power. Now children, we will go to the topic, as I told that different forms of energy. So where that energy, who is possessing that energy, where that energy is conserved, that is the body only, one body. It is, any body is having some energy. That is known as its mechanical energy. So first of all, let's learn about the mechanical energy. What is mechanical energy? Mechanical means the energy possessed by the body. It is the energy. It is the energy. Whose energy? That possessed by the body. Body's energy. Either that body is in the state of rest, rest or motion, whatever, rest or motion, that either that body is in the form of rest or that body is in the form of motion, whatever the energy possessed by the body, that is known as your mechanical energy. So as I have written here two words, that is the one is rest and another one is motion. So according to the rest and motion, so as I have written two words, that is the rest or motion, we can divide this mechanical energy into two parts according to the rest or according to the motion. Means which type of energy is possessed by the body when it is rest and which type of energy is possessed by the body when it is in motion. Now let's divide it. That when that body is in rest, body is at rest, and another one is the body is in motion. So rest means it is called the potential energy. It is the potential energy. Potential. Motion means it is the kinetic energy. Kinetic means that is the motion. Kinetic energy. So mechanical energy is divided into two parts. One is the potential, another is the kinetic. Another is the kinetic, according to the rest or motion of the body. So children, now let's read about the potential energy. What is potential? As I told right now only, the energy possessed by the body at its rest condition. Rest condition. So you have to, what is the definition of that potential energy? How will you write? That the energy possessed by a body at rest in its changed position or change in size or shape. Whatever it is, the size, maybe size will be changed or shape will be changed. If that is rest condition only, that time what is the energy possessed by the body, that is called the potential energy. And always it is symbolized as the capital U. Now take some examples. One by one I will tell the examples. That whenever a body is placed at a height above the ground, means you can say that one, a fruit on a tree. A fruit on a tree. And second one we can say that one, that is the a wound of spring. You have seen that you are giving some toys also, you are winding up that one to run that toys. So like this toys, what is that one? It is called the wound of. That is the wound of spring. That in that toys also some spring is there, you are winding up that one to run that toys. That is the wound of wound of spring. Yes, that is the spring. That is the spring you are winding up, or any toys also you can write. And second one is the a bent bow. A bent bow. Then fourth one is the a stretched, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, a stretched rubber string. Stretched rubber string, etc. These are the examples of the potential energy that is the contained in the body. Means they are in the rest position. Tree is on the rest position on the fruit is on the rest position on the tree, but it is the above the ground. And what spring or toy spring, anything, while it is winding off, means only you change the state. A bent bow or a stretched rubber string, etc. contains the potential energy. So now children, as I have told right now only, that potential energy is the amount of energy possessed by a body at rest in its changed position or change in size and shape. So two things I have told here, changed position or change size or shape. So that is the two things. Again divides the potential energy two types. That according to the changed position, or I will write here, that is the two part according to the changed position. Changed position. Here according to the changed shape and size. Shape and size. So what is this called? If changed position is coming, then it is called the gravitational potential energy. It is called gravitational potential energy. If changed shape and size comes, it is called the your elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy. Now see about the gravitational potential energy. So children, gravitational potential energy. What is gravitational potential energy? It is also the energy possessed by the body. But it is come the word that is the gravitational means it is coming under the gravitational force of the earth. So that is why it is the energy possessed by a body due to the force of attraction of earth on it. Means on what force that earth is attracts the body. Means you can write that it is the energy possessed by the body due to the force of attraction. Whose force of attraction, children? That is the force of attraction of earth on it. That is called your gravitational potential energy. On it, I am writing on it. That is called gravitational potential energy. So, what is the value of gravitational potential energy at different places? Now, let's read that. Gravitational potential energy that can be zero. Its value can be zero. Where it will be zero? That when the body is at infinity. Body is at infinity. Then why? Give reason why. That is the because there no force of attraction on the body. No force of attraction of earth on the body. So due to this thing only, because whenever the body is at infinity condition, that no gravitational force of attraction of earth acting on that body, that's why that gravitational potential energy on that body is zero that time. Its value again negative. Why negative? When negative? That is the when it is the finite distance. Finite distance from earth. But here you remember, children, that why it is negative taken, why it has not taken the positive. Because here you are doing some work to bring the body from some finite distance. Bring means as that body is the infinite distance before, there is no gravitational force, and you are bringing that body towards the earth, and whatever the work you are doing. So children, as the body is the finite distance from earth, means body is in the infinite distance and the earth is attracts towards it, means here the force of gravity works itself to bring the body. That's why according to the definition of work, that is the negative. So this is called your, who is possessing that negative potential energy? This is the negative gravitational potential energy. And who is possessing? Body is possessing. That time whenever it is coming to the finite distance towards the earth, that is the negative gravitational potential energy is produced in the body. So children, today's topic is that much. So again we will meet in the next part, that is with the gravitational potential energy at a height and about the elastic potential energy. So still now you read it carefully, go through all the videos so that you will understand, and please share, subscribe and like my channel and press the bell icon and watch the full video and all parts of all the chapters. And bye bye, take care.